press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
This is your host Antosh Shubhajit, and today we are live on IWM Bus, and today we have with us a very special guest. I don't need to talk about anchoring in front of him. I'm feeling really shy to do all this anchoring in front of him. The guest, Mian Chang.
What's up,
Thank you so much, brother, for being with us.
Not at all.
So we are having this quiz show regarding kids.
Yeah.
So the first question that I want to ask you
Oh
is
my
not
God.
related to the show, but then I'll ask you something regarding your own childhood.
Okay.
That when you were in your childhood, your teachers and all, did they used to bother you with too many questions, like in school and all that stuff?
There used to be actually a lot of questions would come from my batchmates. They would like, where are you from? Are you from Nepal? Are you from Japan? Are you from China? And I'm like, I don't know. Let me ask
That's
my
not
parents.
something related to education, right?
Yeah, that's not. But everybody used to be very curious, and that kind of increased my own curiosity. Ki, actually, where am I from? So let me find out.
So did you used to go back home and ask your parents?
I used to. And that's
This
how
is
I
a
got the
revelation,
answers.
okay? This is a revelation. So the show Epic India Quiz Challenge. I mean, we have had shows like this before as well. Like where we have if I talk about Shah Rukh Khan show, क्या हम 5v5 से तेज है. Pardon me if I'm taking the name of the show wrong.
Okay.
So what do you think will be different in this one compared to what we have seen? This quiz challenge format with the kids and all. What is different in this one?
Yeah, the whole show is only called Epic IQ Challenge, and IQ actually does not stand for intelligence quotient, but actually for the India quotient.
Yeah.
And that is what is going to be special about the show, that the questions are very India specific and not necessarily textbook ratta maar ke jo answers aate hain, wo wale nahi. It will not always be just about facts and figures and dates and academic questions and answers. There's going to be a lot of interesting stuff. There's going to be a lot of things that we may or may not know about our own country. Choti cheezein, interesting trivia, a lot of things that are going to be there, and that is what is going to set the show apart. That is what we're aiming at. That is how we should enjoy this show, and I hope that the audience likes that as well, because it is amazing how much we may not know about our own country.
Yeah, absolutely. And always, the quench for knowledge it's always there.
Absolutely.
So, but then when you say that the show is about India, so do you think that little kids, they might feel bogged down or pressurized that they might not know something and
I don't
those
think
kind
so,
of things?
man. I don't think so. I think कि हमें इंडिया के बच्चों को कभी underestimate करना ही नहीं चाहिए.
Absolutely.
आपको लगता, because I have hosted so many shows before that as well, right? And I just hosted a show where kids were singing. And I watch a lot of those shows as well, where they're dancing and singing and acting, doing magic and whatnot. And मैं हर बार ये सोचता हूँ कि अरे ये क्या कर लेंगे बच्चे? This is what I feel. या फिर कभी-कभी अगर उनको continuously देखते-देखते भी लगता है कि you know what, this is probably the limit. इसके ऊपर कोई talented नहीं हो सकता, इसके ऊपर कोई knowledgeable नहीं हो सकता. And that's when they just prove you wrong every single time.
And I think you're very happy when you're proved wrong in that way.
I'm very happy that way. I'm actually glad to see that these kids are actually exceeding everybody's expectations. Like, we know that Indian kids are very good at spellings and like general, when you're having a GK wala quiz and all that stuff. But I want to see that surprise out here, that how much these kids know about India, which, as you correctly said, that हो सकता है कि they might get bogged down because this is not in your books. This is दुनिया की knowledge है. This is like your things that are happening around you, and that is where I think these kids will surprise us again.
Yeah, that's great. You started with something, like obviously we have all seen, I have myself been a big fan of Indian Idol, and I've seen you perform at that point of time. So I'm meeting you today, I'm very glad about that. So, are you getting enough time for singing and shows and all that stuff as well simultaneously?
Singing तो चलती रहती है. Like I keep singing for myself and my friends. But in terms
what
of
about concerts and all? I mean,
concerts, I was through all these years. Like now, it's my 12th year I started in this city, right? In this profession. And for 10 years, बिना किसी trouble के आराम से I have been balancing all my things that I do: hosting, acting, anchoring, and music. But in the last 2 years, I've been shooting so much, fiction, non-fiction, that पिछले 2 सालों में I have not been able to go out for concerts as much. But the music is still going on in the background. I've been doing a lot of covers. I've released a couple of original songs. So it is, I feel that each of them I would not call it an escape because I do not want to escape from this profession.
Absolutely.
I love everything about this profession. But every time when one thing might get a little overbearing, there's always a kind of very smooth balm that comes in from the other side. तो अगर मुझे लग रहा है बाप रे बहुत शूट कर लिया, 6 महीने शूट कर रहा था, फिर एक दिन अगर मैं गाने पे बैठ गया, that will take away a lot of whatever pressure and stress that might be there, and vice versa.
So do you do that thing consciously?
Do I do that thing consciously? What happens with me is that, and I would believe that I'm lucky that way, it happens. मैं जो भी कर रहा होता हूँ उसमें अचानक मुझे एक दिन अचानक like अभी if I'm hosting this show, right, and I'm working on it for weeks or months, and suddenly one fine day I will get an inspiration to make a song. Or if I'm doing music for months together, suddenly I'll get an inspiration कि मैं अगला host करूँगा. This is what I can do, and it comes unconsciously, but it's always great that how whatever I'm doing, उसमें improvement के साथ साथ I'm also thinking about what I'm not doing right now and I can do. So that bit always, I feel I'm very lucky कि अचानक अगर ऐसे बल्ब जलते रहे कि अरे ये भी कर सकते हैं, वो भी कर सकते हैं.
It actually helps you in multiple ways then.
It helps in multiple ways, and I think that comes from my history of having being a dentist. Because graduate level पे
I almost forgot about that. I mean, you're so talented then that this just didn't come in my mind.
So that talent, I would say my dental talent, my singing talent all comes from my father. He's also a singer, he's a dentist, and a lot of other things like my talking.
So basically this, basically this multi-talented thing has been going in your house since generations, I believe.
I would say so. Like my parents are both very multi-talented. Even though their primary profession is a dentist and a beautician, but they are so capable of doing so many other things and handling them without any stress that I think वो मुझ में भी कहीं आ गया, दोनों का एक मिश्रण आ गया, and that's really helping.
The music industry, so to say, the kind of songs that we see in the movies and all, that has changed quite a lot. If you compare to the time when you came, when you were performing in Indian Idol, to those times, let's say the 2000s and this time, what do you think in this change is actually good and what is actually bad in this? What do you think is the good and the bad part of this?
I think the good bit is that there have been a lot of positive influences in terms of music, and it's not a general statement. It's obviously, it applies only to certain music and certain singers and lyricists. So when you look at the good of it, there still is a lot of good music out there. There is a lot of meaningful lyrics. And there are a lot of पहले के मुकाबले now a lot more singers and musicians are getting opportunities, which is great. Rather than have the same 3 singers, 2 male, 1 female. Now a lot of new voices are coming in, a lot of new composers and lyricists are coming in, and there is a lot of talent. So that is great. The bad, I would say, is which initially मैं नहीं मानता था. Everybody would say कि नहीं, this is a very bad thing. And I'm like, no, it's great. I mean, which is basically the reworked versions of all the songs that are coming out. I was actually totally pro it. I said कि as long as कोई अच्छा version बनाता है, उसमें क्या हर्ज है? Covers तो दुनिया भर करते हैं.
Exactly.
But now I feel that अब पानी सर के ऊपर चढ़ गया, and I'm like, there's so many remixes that I'm like,
if you talk about the remix and all, I mean this song, O Saki Saki, Sukhvinder ji was a part of this, Vishal Shekhar. It's an iconic song. I mean, Koina Mitra, Sanjay Dutt from Musafir. I mean, it's not even been 25 or it's not been too long as well, and we have a remake. Have you heard the new version?
I have.
What did you like the older one better? Or
I like the older one. I really missed Sukhvinder Singh and Sunidhi's voice in it. And it for that time also it was way ahead of its time.
Yeah, absolutely.
The kind of song, the way Sanjay Dutt had picturized that entire thing, and the music Vishal Shekhar had given, that was astounding. So when the song is so good, it's a little difficult to kind of recreate that sufficiently enough. I know there's a lot of pressure on the new team who's making it, but मुझे अब लग रहा है कि अब थोड़ा break दे दो, make original songs, everybody make original songs, and then come back to covers later. There's no crime in doing that, but not every second song should not be a recreation, which is why it's kind of inspired me also, because I've also been doing covers mostly, and there have been probably just 4 originals in between. But अब मैं इतना परेशान हो गया हूँ covers से कि I'm like, man, I'm going to work on originals now.
You'll take time, but then you'll work on
like covers will still keep coming, but they will be lesser now. I would rather work on an original because I want to hear originals now as a listener. So I would like to cater to that whole thing.
That's really good. So thank you so much, Chang, for giving us a lot of time.
Not at all, man.
And it's a pleasure having you on this, and I wish you all the best for the next one.
Thank you. Thank you very much.